I'm Coach Shelby. Samahan niyo ako sa ating 20-minute Tabata workout na sigurado magbaburn tayo ng calories, magbaburn tayo ng body fat. Samahan niyo ako. Gagawin natin ang bawat exercise ng 30 seconds. Mag-rest tayo ng 10 seconds pagkatapos ng bawat exercise. Kung nasa bahay ka lang, pwede mong gawin ang exercise na to. Let's go.
Starting your Tabata workout. Get ready.
First exercise natin, ang ating knee jacks. Modified version. 30 seconds. Inhale, exhale. You can do it. Last 10 seconds. And rest. Next exercise natin ang squats to reach. Let's go. Side reach. 30 seconds. You can do it. Halfway through. Last 8 seconds for this. Inhale, exhale. And rest. Next exercise natin, ang jumping jacks.
Exercise.
Modified version, just step side to side. Last 10 seconds, you can do it. And rest. Next natin, ang ating narrow squats to rainbow. Let's go. 30 seconds. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. Halfway through. You can do it. And the rest. Next natin, ang ating single leg jacks.
Exercise.
Modified version. Halfway through. Burn those fats. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. And rest. Catch your breath. Zip some water if you want to.
Exercise.
Let's go. Again, modified version. Last 10 seconds, you can do it. And rest. Next natin ang ating air plunges.
Exercise.
Let's go. Stretch your arms. Let's work on our arms. Sa ating abs. 30 seconds. Last 15 seconds. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. And rest. Next, samahan natin ang squats. And then 4 punches.
Exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4. Squats. And rest. Next natin, ang ating knee to elbow.
Exercise.
Inhale, exhale. You can do it. Halfway through.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin ang ating itchy worm.
Exercise.
And go up. Halfway through. You can do it.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin, squat pulses.
Exercise.
And go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up. 4 pulses. And go up. Halfway through. You can do it. Inhale, exhale. Exhale when you go up. Inhale when you go down. Okay. Next natin, ang ating squat jump.
Exercise.
Jump. Three pulses, and then squat jump. Halfway there.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin, ang ating toe reach. Okay lang kung di nyo paabot ang inyong toes. Kung ano lang muna ang kaya ninyo. Keep moving. Inhale, exhale. You can do it. And rest. Next natin, ang ating side twist.
Exercise.
Let's go. Let's work on our core, sa ating obliques. Last 15 seconds, you can do it. We're almost done.
Rest.
And rest. Inhale, exhale. Sip some water, pero wag kayong inom ng marami. Basta makita ang inyong tiyan.
Exercise.
Let's go. And rest. Next natin ang ating reverse lunges.
Exercise.
Single leg. Kung gusto niyo mas tamaan ng inyong butt, slightly bend forward. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heel. When you go up, para mas matarget ang ating glute muscles. Unang ibaba ang tuhod sa likuran. Siguraduhin ang inyong knee hindi lalagpas sa daliri ng inyong mga paa.
Rest.
Rest. Another 30 seconds on the other leg. Inhale, exhale. Whew.
Exercise.
Huwag pigilin na hininga. Mahihilo kayo. Keep moving. Last 9 minutes left. Halfway through. You can do it.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin ang ating front lunges. Inhale, exhale.
Exercise.
Single leg. Upright lang ang katawan. Target natin ang ating quads. Ang ating hita. As much as possible, ang inyong tuhod ay hindi lalagpas sa inyong toes or sa daliri ng inyong mga paa. Rest for 10 seconds. Another 30 seconds sa kabilang leg.
Exercise.
Let's go. Upright ang katawan. Hindi lalagpas ang inyong tuhod sa daliri ng inyong mga paa. You can do it. We're almost done. Only 20 minutes. Sa loob ng 24 hours, 20 minutes lang. It makes a huge difference. You can do it. Next natin, ang ating floor touches. Let's increase our heart rate.
Exercise.
Let's go. Modified version. Okay, just step side to side. Okay, let's increase our heart rate. You can do it, guys. Halfway through. Last 10 seconds for this. You can do it. Inhale, exhale.
Rest.
Rest, catch your breath. Inhale, exhale. Next natin ang ating side lunges.
Exercise.
Let's go. Feel the stretch. Let's work on our inner thighs, ating quads, sa ating glutes. You can do it. Almost there. Inhale, exhale,
Rest.
and rest. 10 seconds, catch your breath. Inhale, exhale, para di kayo mahilo.
Exercise.
Other leg. You can do it. "15 seconds. Last 8 seconds for this. Hey, you can do it.
Rest.
Rest. Next natin ang ating push-ups. Beginner push-up. Ang ating kneeling push-up.
Exercise.
Alignin yung arms at ang yung shoulders. Huwag i-flare out ang inyong elbow. Ibaba ang dibdib. As you can see, hindi naka-flare out ang ating elbow. Spread your fingers. Core tight. I-vacuum mo yung chin paloob. Inhale when you go down. Exhale when you go up.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin ang ating mountain climber. Slow
Exercise.
mountain climber. Let's go. Bring your knees in.
Rest.
And rest. Next naman natin ang ating side plank.
Exercise.
For modified version, on your knees, and then itaas ang inyong hips. You can do it.
Rest.
Rest. Other side. Inhale, exhale.
Exercise.
Work. Again, on your knees for modified version. Inhale, exhale. You can do it. Woo! Sarap ng pawis. Last 3 minutes. Core tight. Vacuum ang yung tiyan paloob. 20 minutes. Worth it.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin,
Exercise.
ang ating toe bridge. Inhale, exhale. You can do it. We're almost done. Stay with me.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin,
Exercise.
as much as possible, straight ang inyong leg. Whew! Whew! Single leg be up. Go. Last 15 seconds. You can do it.
Rest.
And rest. Next natin, ang ating
Exercise.
leg raise. Inhale, exhale. You can do it. Stay with me. We're almost done.
Rest.
And rest. Last exercise natin, ang ating
Exercise.
inhale, exhale. Lean backward. Just go side to side, core tight. Higupin ang iyong tiyan paloob.
Rest.
Let's have a quick cool down. Thank you so much for joining me for more workouts and fitness tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para updated din kayo sa aking mga new uploads. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating video today, please give it a like at mag-comment lang kayo kung meron kayong mga questions or suggestions para sa ating next workout. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one.